Cryptocurrency is one of the hottest topics of our day and age for anybody that works in and around finance or even reads and dips their toes into just a bit of investing. But these volatile digital assets do come with their own fair share of criticism and praise. Now, you might be asking yourself, what exactly is cryptocurrency? At its most basic core, we can say that it's a digital asset that is designed to work as a medium of exchange, wherein computerized databases store the ledgers in a record. Strong cryptography techniques and solutions are then implemented to ensure its validity in the world of digital assets. It bases itself on the blockchain. Now, you might ask yourself how it is different from any other methods of digital currency. Well, to answer that, crypto as a whole is decentralized, which then puts more emphasis on individual ownership than the former, which relies on the central banking system. We think this must have served as a basic understanding of this currency. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be discussing the top 5 cryptocurrencies that are high-stake investments as of June 2021. But before we start, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and make sure to turn on post notifications so that way you never miss another video from us. Without further ado, let's get into it. The first coin that we're going to be talking about today is the one that had started it all, Bitcoin. We're certain that you must have somewhere come across this name, as it is the most talked about crypto today. Bitcoin as we know it is a peer-to-peer network digital currency. Transactions are verified by network nodes through cryptography, and the data generated is then recorded on a blockchain, which is a public distributed ledger. This crypto was invented way back in 2009 by a pseudo-anonymous group, namely Satoshi Nakamoto. It was implemented as open source software back then, but by now, it has gained a much divided reputation due to its price cap on the market, its decentralized nature, and anonymity in investment ventures. It came under scrutiny for its abundance in illegal transactions, data mining, carbon footprints, price volatility, and thievery. To dive into its inception, it was started when the domain name bitcoin.org was registered on the 18th of August 2008. After a paper which was called Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, authorized by Satoshi Nakamoto on the 31st of October of that same year, posted to a cryptography mailing list, and it came into being in the first month of 2009. On the 3rd of January, the Bitcoin network was incepted when Nakamoto mined the quote-unquote Genesis block, the starting block of the chain. The Coinbase did have a stringent comment on the age-old fractal banking system and its timestamp, and thus began a whole new chapter in the era of monetary systems as a whole. As of the late, the monetary value of the currency is $35,952.78, which is subject to change, with a 1.96% growth lately. The second coin which has found its reputation on the list is Ethereum. This is a coin that is based on the same blueprint, but with an added feature called Smart Contract, which automates the execution, control, or document legalization in reference contracts or agreements. Well, it's the second largest crypto network by market cap, and is also the most widely used blockchain of all. The coin was founded by Vitalik Buterin, which is a Russian-Canadian programmer, through crowdfunding. On the 30th of July 2015, the network went live with an initial supply of 72 million coins. Buterin wanted Bitcoin and blockchain to be utilized for other technologies besides money. He aimed for an application development which would disrupt the crypto world altogether by attaching tangible assets like property, stocks, art, and so on to the blockchain. The platform was meant for developers to build and operate decentralized apps for the users to be a part of. These applications then had allowed users to commence money lending against assets. Ethereum even allows its users to create NFTs that are non-interchangeable tokens reserved for digital arts or other tangible assets identified as unique digital property. Even other crypto coins use the facility for the profit. Ethereum has now started to implement upgrades as the proof of stakes and sharing so as to increase its transactional throughput. As of late, the value of Ethereum takes up about $2,235.88, with a 2.37% decrease in the market cap. The third coin, which we'll be discussing, goes by the name of Tether, which has had a controversial beginning of sorts. It was issued by Tether Limited, which in turn is owned by the owners of Bitfinex. The company back then had falsely claimed that the coins were backed by $1. The New York Attorney General had even filed a lawsuit against this claim by saying that the company lied to cover up its losses. Now, to tell you Tether is a stablecoin, which means it was originally designed to maintain a worth of $1. Anyways, Tether Limited states that the owners of Tether have no contractual rights or legal claims or even any guarantees for dollar exchanges of a currency. The company has also announced that it has opted for a private beta testing environment, which supported Tether and Token for at least 3 currencies. Tether is nothing short of accusations, as it was allegedly accused of price manipulation by U.S. federal prosecutors, as reported by the financial website Bloomberg. In 2019, it even beat Bitcoin in trading volume with its highest daily and monthly figures for any crypto in the market. Lately, the company has a valuation of $1 with a growth of about 0.12%. The fourth currency on the list that we're going to be discussing is Binance. It is a Cayman Islands domiciled crypto exchange that leads different cryptocurrencies, founded in 2017, which is a platform for trading. It was, at one time, the largest crypto exchange by trading volume. In 2019, the currency was banned by the US government on regulatory grounds, but was granted permission when the investors started Binance, which was a separate exchange with a similar interface. It was then registered with the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network in the US, and it is even banned in 7 US states though. The global coin has 2 variants, namely Binance Coin or BNB and Binance Smart Chain or BSC. As for its history, the crypto coin was founded by Changpeng Zhao, commonly known as ZZ, a software developer who had previously built high-frequency trading software. The coin was initially based in China, but did have to be relocated out of there because of the increasing cryptocurrency regulations by the Chinese Communist government. In January of 2018, it was the largest cryptocurrency exchange platform with a market cap of $1.3 billion, which it has retained as of April 2021 in spite of severe competition from rivals like that of Coinbase. It's even ventured out of partner with 3 other behemoths to be able to raise $32 million so as to develop a stablecoin project. This idea stems from the likes of Tether so as to provide such a crypto where the volatility of Bitcoin is surpassed and other digital assets are stabilized financially. As of now, the valuation of Binance stands at $341.95 and normally has an experienced growth rate of about 3.07%. Lastly, we have Cardano. Now, this is a public blockchain platform, and the consensus was achieved using proof of stake, plus is even decentralized and open source. It also facilitated peer-to-peer transactions like Bitcoin, implementing its internal coin called ABA. The coin was founded in 2015 by one of its co-founders of Ethereum, Charles Hoskin. It was supervised by the Cardano Foundation based in Zug, Switzerland. It was launched back in 2017 after Hoskins left Ethereum after a dispute with the original founder, Vitalik Buterin. He wanted to accept venture capital and turn the coin into a for-profit entity, while Buterin was against it and favored a non-profit nature. The platform incorporates a Bitcoin-based layered transaction and Ethereum-based smart contracts. After being funded through an initial coin offering process, the coin debuted with a $600 million market cap, and as of now, the valuation of the coin stands at $1.43 with a growth rate of about 3.47%. To sum it all up, cryptocurrency is an unfathomable pool of decentralized assets where people of several agendas and backgrounds keep springing up to invest in whatever form they deem suitable. The volatility of the platforms, along with its decentralized approach, might throw investors and organizations alike off guard. It might also not be accepted in several countries due to its anonymous nature, making it a way for illegal and black market transactions. But it is to be noted that cryptocurrency is a disruptive invention in the digital millennium and is shaping the way that we approach finance in each and every aspect. The economies of it are too intricate for the common people to understand, but those who have found a way might be able to reap that fruit, whether it be sweet or sour is yet to be witnessed. By now, we've come to the end of this video. Keep in mind that cryptocurrency is a ubiquitous leap of faith, and you need to understand that all of the numbers that we mentioned here in this video are not going to be the same by the time you might check out the market. If anything, this video has been nothing short of informative and educational. Therefore, you cannot take it as literal financial advice. Let us know what you think about the top crypto coins and related platforms in general. Also, subscribe to the channel for more engaging videos like this, and don't forget to smash that like button and press the notification bell to always be notified of upcoming videos. Until next time, folks, we'll see you later.
It's just a show.